everyone, and welcome back to today's video. So I'm going to be trying something completely different for my channel today, and I have this soap here which is the Dove Sensitive Skin Micellar soap, and what I'm going to be doing is trying this for washing my face for 8 days and see if it's good or if it's bad. So I'm basically going to be putting my skin through its paces. Yes, I know what you're going to say, but I'm going to give it a go. So anyway, this is already opened because we was having a bit of a issue because my cousin bought back a soap which is supposed to be Dove. Don't know where we got it from. It just ended up on this shelf here and they're using it and I used it, and straight away I just went, that's not Dove. You just know when you know. It doesn't lather up very well or anything like that. So I was checking to see if it was a fake one, and I definitely think it is. But so that's why this box is opened. Neil doesn't give a stuff, by the way, but you know. So I'm going to get this out. I've got a bowl, well, a sink full of warm water, and I'm going to start on day 1 with this. And it just looks like that. You've seen them before. And I'm going to do this for 8 days, but not a full 8 days on camera because nobody needs to see 8 days of me washing my face. So I'll probably do day 1, 3 and 5, something like that, and then come back to you afterwards. So I'm going to get a lather on this soap. Yeah, I can already tell the fake one's different, because that is what it should do, and that one doesn't do that. So, I'm going to just wash my face in this. And I haven't brought down my face cloth. Oh, that was clever. Oh well, I'll just rinse it the rest of the time. Get a bit more there. Get a bit more lather on my face. Okay, so that lathers up really nicely. So I'm just going to rinse this off because I forgot the face cloth. So, oh, that wasn't easy and I can't see. No, I can't. So, just going to dry these. Couldn't even word then. Let's see. So, I will be following along with my usual face creams and serums and things like that, which I know agree with me. Now, I have got some issues there anyway. See what I mean about the red nose? Yeah, I'm getting little build-ups of spots here and there because I normally do in the heat. Oh, that seems to have washed it really nicely. No issues there. Yeah, that seems quite nice. Just about my usual regular face wash. Yeah, it seems fine. So, anyway. So, I'm going to see you on day 3. And I will be going for now and film a makeup video while it's not such a hot day. So, I will see you on day 3. Okay everyone, so day 3. So far this is okay, but I'm not sure if that is happening due to the soap. I'm not completely sure yet, because the heat does cause me to have some breakouts anyway. And today it's already 30 degrees and it's not even lunchtime yet. So yeah, so I'm going to carry on. And I remembered the face cloth this time, although it's been sat in his bathroom. Oh wow, that made me look pink. It's not been doing that. So maybe that is a problem then. Maybe that is something to look out for. Really pink. And yeah, like as I said, I've been getting some breakouts, but I'm not sure if that's the heat. Because overall, I actually do like this so far. Let me just dry my face and I'll talk to you further. I actually do like this. My face last night when I did this, and it was my third usage. Yeah, I think. Anyway, I'll pop it here. My face last night when I'd done this, now the redness is gone, looked ever so glowy. Just, my skin has looked so glowy with it, and it feels so soft. So I'll have to see what happens here. I don't know whether it's heat related. I do get heat related spots. I've got a couple here, some little ones here. Maybe it is the soap, maybe it is, but I shall continue with this and let me know on day 5. So I will see you on day 5. Okay everyone, day 5. So far I've actually enjoyed using this soap. It's really surprised me. Quite shocked really. Those seem to have gone down. I've got a new one there which popped up yesterday. But I do think that's heat related. Rather than from the soap itself, because my skin has felt really soft and quite glowy, to be honest. It's looked really quite glowy, which is surprising me. The only thing that surprises me and all is this redness that comes up straight away. No idea what's going on with that, but there you go. Oh, it feels so fresh with a wet face because it's been so hot. It feels a bit cooler today, but yesterday was 39 Celsius, which when I checked was 104 Fahrenheit. And there was fires in London and fields were going up and everything. It was horrible, really horrible. And our park nearby had a little fire, but I got it under control. Anyway, I'm rambling on. So yeah, and the redness has just gone down straight away. I've always had this, you know. Got something there going on, a bit reddish, but I'm pulling it down to the weather rather than this product, to be honest. But we'll see. So I will see you for day 8. It won't be another wash in my face because you've seen enough now. I will just chat to you about it and tell you what my thoughts are. So I will see you on day 8. Okay everyone, so it's the end of the 8 days with this Micellar, Dove Micellar soap. And something I didn't realise or read on the box is it's actually hypoallergenic, so it's suitable for sensitive skin. My thoughts. Okay, so I'm very surprised at how nice this soap is. I've got some good and bad points. Good points are that it's a really nice soap, it lathers up really well, washes your face really good. And if you remember at the day 3 for you, I was having a bit of a breakout there and I thought it was heat related. Well, it definitely was heat related. We did have a very hot couple of days. As you can see, they've all gone and I've not had any more at all. I did have that one under my nose, but that was just a whitehead, but that's gone now too. Here, I've reduced quite significantly. So again, I'm sure that was heat related and I'm a bit croaky. So yeah, I've enjoyed using this soap. And one of the surprising things is, it made my skin very glowy. It looks so healthy. However, I don't want to really continue using it because I have also noticed today particularly that my skin is starting to dry out. So the fact that it claims it's got moisturiser in it, I'm not really quite sure it really has. If you can see, I'm looking like I'm going to start drying out here, and that is definitely a soap thing. Nowhere else seems particularly dry, but I have noticed it there, and I think if I continue with it I might end up getting some dry patches. So yeah, I don't think I'd recommend you use it for a facial wash kind of thing. I just don't. I think that bars of soap for that they're just not really designed for that, in my opinion. And I've not used a bar of soap on my face for years because I've gone in with facial washes. But I will be going back to that and see if that improves. I may update you all on my Instagram. Well, I will, about all this and see if it got better with using my facial wash. So once I've used the facial wash for a few days, I'll get a good, I'll know about that. But yeah, it was good, it lathered well, it did the job and it was doing great for a few days, but now I can see all this coming and I've just gone in with my usual skincare and I can feel like my skin is starting to go dried out. So if I'm looking really glowy to going a bit dried out, I'm not up for that. It seems to do the job, it was great for a couple of days, but I'm going back to my regular facial washes. So my thoughts on this are, yes, it will wash your face and it will do a great job. It might even give you a nice healthy glow, but it probably will start drying your skin out after day 8. It just probably will. So no, I wouldn't recommend you use this as a facial wash. Just do your normal stuff. But it was worth a try and I was quite surprised by some of the results I was getting. So yeah, that is the end of the review for this product, and now I'm going to be glad to be going in with my usual facial wash and do what I usually do, and I'm sure this will just go. I mean, I'm not particularly sure. I know actually, if I remember, I had that there on day 1, but yeah, I can see a bit of dryness coming. And it's a little on the red side. I mean, every time I use the soap and dry my face, I went extremely pink-faced, if you remember, or did it pick up on camera? I don't know, until I look at the editing. Look at the footage for the editing. But then it went down immediately. So I think that redness is possibly about down to this kind of thing. And I think I really will dry out something chronic if I continue. So basically, no, don't use it. Just don't use it as facial wash. It's not designed for that. They like to make you think it's designed for that, but I just don't think it is. Use it for a soap for your body. Just do that with it. So anyway, that's the end of the review. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. Please do all the good stuff. It really does help out my channel. I hope you realise how much. I know a lot of you don't, but it's fine. But it really does help with the algorithm and everything like that. I'm going to see you again for a beauty related video of some description, because the decade's definitely done by the time this goes out. So I will see you again next time. So goodbye everyone.